case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Arizona Court of Appeals tackled a controversial case, Hill v. Jones, which put into limelight the looming question of a seller's responsibility to disclose information that could potentially reduce the property's value. The case revolved around buyers who claimed that their decision to purchase a residential property was significantly influenced by the seller's failure to inform them about a history of termite infestation. In this heated dispute, the buyers launched a lawsuit to rescind the purchase agreement. They accused the sellers of making misrepresentations and concealing crucial information about the historical termite infestation. Matters escalated when, during the discovery process, it was disclosed that the sellers were privy to 2 termite guarantees and a diagram illustrating termite treatment linked to the property from their purchase in 1974. The sellers had maintained a veil of silence on this matter, not sharing the information with either the realtor or the termite inspector. Intriguingly, there had been instances of termite sightings by a neighbor at the property who informed that treatments had been administered on separate occasions. The trial court initially dismissed the buyers' assertions and ruled in favor of the sellers. They stated the sellers were under no obligation to disclose the history of termite infestation and threw out the misrepresentation claims. This sparked discontent in the buyers, leading them to appeal the court's decision. The court, in its initial decision, disregarded the buyers' reliance on Mrs. Jones's statement about the supposed water damage as a factor influencing their decision. However, the buyers should have had the right to present these termite-related issues to a jury, which could expose the seller's concealment. The sellers cannot shirk their responsibility under the cover of contracts to avoid potential fraud allegations. The final verdict handed down by the Arizona Court of Appeals reiterated the obligation of sellers to disclose material facts that could influence the property's value. It instructed that contracts cannot be used as shields, protecting parties from the repercussions of their fraudulent actions. Therefore, the previous ruling by the trial court was a misstep, denying the buyers a chance to argue their case and demonstrate the substantive impact of the undisclosed termite damage.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.